camera from facing?
It's facing you.
Hello guys, so I am with the legendary YouTuber Kimberly Gamina. You might have seen her on her YouTube channel Kimberly Gamina and songwriter Kim. Right now I am at Ladies of Charity folding socks, so you guys are going to get to see what I am doing. Folding these socks. So sit back and watch Dan the Sock Man. So you take the sock, you roll it up into a ball, and then here's what you do then. You take it, you put it over the sock like that. That got messed up. Oh, no.
Don't give up.
Oh, darn. C-O-W.
Pretty close.
C-O-W-E-I-E-I-O. That's from an Old McDonald commercial. Old McDonald.
Just let me know when you want me to stop the video, okay?
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a long video.
All right, good job. Looks good.
Oh, not yet. Not yet. No!
Doesn't have to be perfect, Dan.
Doesn't have to be.
It's in a ball.
Even Dan the Sock Man ain't perfect, guys.
They just want it in a ball.
Yeah, they just want. My good friend Petra, who is one of the bosses at Ladies of Charity. Eileen May is the big boss, but Petra and Eileen, they are the best bosses in town. Literally, if I can get these socks open. What? Oh, shoot, rip the bag. Oh,
That's what you gotta do. Rip the bag to open it.
oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, Petra, we got a little rip in the bag. Go. And sometimes rolling socks is about speed. Sometimes it's about, but most of the time it's about accuracy rather than speed. It's just like an autocross course. Handling is more. Sometimes slow is better. We'll get a few more and then we'll cut the video.
Okay.
Oh yeah, yep.
You want to sing?
Oh yeah.
Ladybird?
Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Did your lady friend leave the nest again? This is the song makes me feel so bad. You can fly away in the sky someday. You're more lucky than me. I also had a pretty girl. She's not with me today. They're all the same, the pretty girls. The tenderness, then they fly away. Yellow bird up high in banana tree. Yellow bird, you sit all alone like me. Better fly away in the sky someday. Bigger coming soon, from night to noon. Like banana too, like a banana too. They might pick you someday. Wish that I were a yellow bird, I'd fly away with you. But I am not a yellow bird, so here I sit, nothing else to do. Yellow bird, yellow bird, yellow bird.
Beautiful.
And we are cut.